I am Rojan Fat from the College of Computing Information Sciences. Our industry partner in our college is the Aerobotica. Actually, nakilala ko ang Aerobotica sa isa naming event sa college namin na kung saan naging isa sila sa industry partner noong Industry Academy Forum na kung saan nag-present sila ng kanilang mga opportunities na pwede bigay sa aming college, no? And of course, nakilala ko rin sila in deeply to our professor, Ma'am Bayan Naray siya diploma po na kung saan dati po siyang CEO ng Aerobotica. In-introduce niya rin po sa amin yung Aerobotica at pwede rin naman daw din po doong magkaroon ng OJT. That's why many of our classmates po ay nag-try doon sa Aerobotica.
My name is Shara May Bolante. I'm from batch 2019 from the College of Education. Our partner is, since I'm from COE, is the Department of Education Division Schools of Makati. So the industry obviously is in the field of education. So ayun, it's all about teaching and also learning as a teacher and also a student for the schools.
Hi everyone, my name is Mariel P. Heronca and I'm a graduate of Institute of Imaging Health Sciences, batch 2020. The industry partners that I had was Philippine Orthopedic Center, which is located in Quezon City. We specialize in imaging trauma patients. And then the other industry partner that I had was Rizal Medical Center, which is also a tertiary government hospital, wherein we expanded our training and knowledge with other modalities naman po na hindi focused dun sa orthopedic, which was my initial internship program po.
I'm Jerry Mary Relingado, also a graduate from Institute of Imaging Health Sciences, batch 2019. I have two industry partners, which are Rizal Medical Center and National Children's Hospital.
Hello, my name is Anika Saga A. Galera.
Hello, my name is Micaela May J. Ejel.
A third-year student from Institute of Imaging Health Sciences.
We were assigned at the Radiology Department of Pasig City Children's Hospital for our summer internship.
So, nakilala ko po yung PCCH before bago kami ma-assign sa aming specific hospital for our summer internship. And then, yun nga po, hindi ko po ine-expect na ma-assign po ako sa PCCH.
For me naman po, nalaman ko po na affiliated po yung Pasig City Children's Hospital po nung na-assign po ako para po sa aking summer internship. Tapos, doon din ko po nalaman kung saan po siya and kung ano po yung mga pasyente na kinikater po nila.
Okay, I am Mark Rickson S. Bacordio. Kasalukuyan, isa na akong registered psychometrician. Isa rin akong produkto ng University of Makati, batch 2019. Nakilala ko ang RGO nung pumasok sila sa UMAC dahil bago lang sila nagkaroon ng RPM review. So, yung mga kabatch ko ng 2018, 2017, and batch ko 2019 and higher, nagkaroon na ng connection sa RGO dahil tuwing GA and Industry Partner Day ng University of Makati ay napapakilala yung RGO, which is talagang sila yung sumuporta sa akin kaya naging RPM ako ngayon.
Hi, my name is Cindy M. Pantelino. I graduated at the University of Makati. I took up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science major in Policy Management under the College of Governance and Public Policy. I took up my internship at the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, also known as Department of Migrant Workers today. It is a national government agency that is responsible for the protection of the rights and welfare of the overseas Filipino workers.
Good day everyone, I am Jomel De Ocampo, an alumnus of the University of Makati Institute of Nursing Batch 2023. The Philippine Licensure Examination Read, Explore, and Assess Program, or the PLE-REAP, was introduced to us last 2023 February, and it is part of our clinical rotation in the Related Learning Experience course.
Actually, yung mga benefits and opportunities na ibigay sa amin ng Aerobotica is about the learning, nung sinabi ko nga kanina, with regards to Internet of Things, and of course, doon din sa robotics itself, no? Naalala ko po, nung last Industry, Academy, and Government Forum namin, ipinatry or ipina-showcase po yung learning about sa machine learning ng isang ng isang drone na kung saan nakikilala agad yung isang tao. That's why parang naisip ko in the near future, why not mag-enroll din po ko sa Aerobotica at gumawa ng isang system deliveries na kung saan drone na po yung gumagamit nun at nare-recognize sa mukha. So, ganung mga opportunities lang yung ini-offer nga po ni Aerobotica to the students like me.
Each time we have field study and also our practice teaching. So, bibigyan po kami ng mga list of schools under DepEd kung saan kami pwedeng pumunta. And ang maganda doon, since you are in the environment, in the classroom environment, natuturuan ka ng mismong DepEd teachers how to improve. And isa yun sa mga bagay na maganda with the connection ng schools and DepEd schools. Kasi maliban sa totoong environment, they will also help you improve yourself to become better teacher. So, ang daming strategies, techniques na natulong or naturo sa amin during the OJT. And probably one of the most memorable is yung OJT ko po dito sa HSU. Kasi, if I remember it right po, mahina talaga boses ko each time na ako yung pinagtuturo in front. But during the demo, nagulat sila kasi since ang ingay ng mga estudyante, lumakas yung boses ko. Yun yung laging comment sa akin. Pero kaya ko pala. Tinuruan nila ako on techniques how to modulate my voice, how to be more confident enough to speak in front of the class.
We were very excited po kasi syempre, sinabi ng mga seniors namin before na malalaking hospital like UP, RMC, NCH. As a student before, andun yung excitement namin na talagang mapunta dun sa ginagawa nila.
Because, syempre, the theoretical knowledge that we get within the halls of the school is different from the actual experience. So, we can apply what we learned in the university in the actual field. Kasi tactile knowledge or hands-on experience is for me, is a better learning experience po.
We are also witnessing some other allied health professionals na nagkakaroon ng teamwork within our units.
We work with a lot of people, from doctors to patients to fellow students and also ibang mga RadTech din. So we also learn interpersonal communication skills, not only yung professional or technical skills bilang isang RadTech. When it comes to memorable moments, marami, of course, there are a lot. So, yung nagkakaroon din kami ng achievement and recognition for our effort kasi they also offer awards and recognitions like academic proficiency, clinical proficiency, and we're competing with a lot of different schools. So we're bearing the name of the University of Makati. It's one of our achievements din in the school na nakakakuha kami ng mga awards.
And one of the most memorable that I encountered is when I had a cancer patient po. So parang nung time na yun, kami po yung humawak. And as an intern, so syempre nandun po yung patient care namin, hindi naman po mawawala yun. So isa po sa mga na-build yun sa development namin as a RadTech student.
Nakakipag-explore po kami sa different modalities. Nagkaroon kami ng connection with doctors and other hospital staff po.
Nagkaroon po kami na experience para makapag-assist and makapag-observe po sa different procedures po gamit yung iba't ibang imaging modalities po. And dahil din po sa guidance po ng mga professionals from PCCH, nakakapag-tanong din po kami sa mga questions and curiosity po namin tungkol sa ibang imaging modalities. Tapos, na-try din po namin at na-experience din po namin makapag-interview and makapag-interact po with patients. And na-try din po namin makapag-observe sa surgery po.
Ang memorable experience ko sa akin is, yun nga po, nakapag-volunteered ako nag-observe lang naman po ako sa isang wrist surgery po. And ang dami ko pong nalaman kung ano po yung ginagawa ng mga RadTech before and after ng isang operation.
Kung nag-observe po ako, memorable po siya kasi like, sobrang bago po ng environment and parang nanibago po ako sa lahat.
Nagkaroon tayo ng partnership with RGO and UMAC na sila ay magpo-provide ng isa or dalawang specialized or industry lecturer na makakapag-provide ng teachers na magtuturo sa course audit 1 and 2 ng mga estudyante. So, isa pang benefit na natanggap ko ay as a graduate ng UMAC na magna cum laude, libre ang aking enrollment sa kanila. So, hindi ko na kinakailangan magbayad ng 15,000 pesos para makapagsimula, makapag-review at pumasa sa board exam. So, nung pumasa kami, nung nagkaroon ng testimonial dinner ay umattend sila and ni-recognize nila kami talaga as part ng family nila na RGO. So, until now, ang tawag pa rin sa amin is RGO babies. Kasi mga produkto kami ng UMAC and RGO.
I was given an opportunity by Professor Andres dun mag-OJT sa POEA. Yung nagbigay sila ng isang kaso na pinadigest sa amin. At that time, kinakabahan kami kasi hindi namin alam kung paano. Pero binigyan kami ng mga papel. Sa sobrang kapal niya, buong araw kaming nagbabasa nun. Then, nung tinanong na kami nung head namin, which is Attorney Andres, na ipaliwanag namin ng maayos. At the end of the day, na-realize namin na, ganun pala. Ganun pala yung magiging trabaho. Or isa lang yun sa mga magiging trabaho.
One of the clinical skills that us future registered nurses must achieve is to have critical thinking skills and competence. This partnership helped us to get through the difficulties associated in our professional journey by providing reliable and evidence-based information. Their approaches to educational delivery are technology-driven and are tailored to the needs and trends of the time. With traditional simulation training, it can be difficult for students and practitioners to get enough hands-on experience or practice to feel confident on the floor. But the PLE RIP uses the application Full Code that makes the healthcare practitioners improve their skills and save more lives with the use of Full Code medical simulation. This application uses an immersive virtual simulation platform where medical professionals can practice in 3D medical simulation, and also it allows us to have a simulation training with realistic virtual patients, which helps us to practice complex cases and improve our clinical skills. This provides detailed debriefs that can help the learners to identify knowledge gaps and strengthens our skills in weaker areas, and also help us to become the best medical practitioners. And also they have a great healthcare professionals and non-medical related team who work together by researching and promoting knowledge, skills, and attitude to all aspiring medical practitioners. That is why this industry partner helps us read, explore, and assess our profession.
Siguro yung advice ko lang talagang may ibibigay is mahalin niyo yung aerobotica at mamahalin din kayo ng aerobotica. Have the professional standards, be on time, Raj, be on time. Yung mga ganun lang. Then afterwards, kapag hindi naman masyadong alam yung gagawin, just ask. Mabait sila. Hindi naman sila nangangain.
Be open with all the challenges, all the mistakes that will happen to you. Do not be scared na, ay, pinapagalitan ako ng CP ko. Pinapagalitan ako ng critic teacher. Put your shoes then on the shoes of your critic teacher. Kung pagalitan man kayo, kung sabihan man kayo na kailangan i-improve sa lesson plan, kailangan lakasan ng boses, kailangan mas maging confident, ibig sabihin nun, you have a room for improvement. It means that they can see something in you at konti na lang, magiging better version ka ng sarili mo.
To future RadTechs or future students who will undergo these kinds of training, make the most out of it, syempre. As well as, you have to always remember that you're carrying the name of the school and the institute. So, ngayon, ang pangalan po ng University of Makati, we can proudly say that dito sa Metro Manila is talagang recognized yung school natin na they produce good RadTechs.
Be unfamiliar with the surroundings. Kapag naging familiarized kasi tayo sa isang bagay, parang magiging kontento na tayo sa ibibigay natin. Like for us, ng mga RadTech, na kailangan beyond expectation for ibibigay natin sa mga patient.
I-enjoy lang po nila yung internship po nila kasi mabilis lang din po.
Naalala ko lang din po yung pinayo sa akin ng isang doctor po sa ultrasound na wag po kayong aalis ng hospital nang walang natutunan po. Kung may mga tanong po, kung nakakurious kayo sa isang modalities or mga parts na hindi kayo sure, magtanong po lagi sa mga professional po.
Yung opportunities nandoon, basta kailangan nyo lang subukan and huwag kayong matakot pumasok at itry yung opportunities na binibigay ng UMAC and RGO.
Huwag kayong panghihinaan ng loob na hindi kayo makakakuha ng mag-fit dun sa course na tinatahak ninyo ngayon? Kasi meron at merong nakalaan para sa inyo.
I do believe that while doing the simulation using the full code simulation application promoted by the PLRIP, it is okay to commit mistakes because from these mistakes we learn a lot from this. And by enrolling to the PLRIP, you will learn a lot from them because the proponents of which are professionals and experts on their own.